Here's I'll show you how to set up your OBS to start streaming on Twitch. First of all, go to your browser and go to Twitch and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. And then click on your profile photo here and go to Creator Dashboard. And then go back to your OBS and add your video and audio sources. First of all, you want to stream on your Twitch. Then go to Settings. In Settings, select Stream. And Service, select Twitch and click on Connect Account. Now enter here your Twitch account username and enter here your account password and just click on Login and verify your Twitch account email address. And once connected, click on Apply. Okay, and you have successfully connected your Twitch account with your OBS. Now it's time to start streaming. So just click on Start Streaming and it may take some moments to connect. Once successfully connected, go to your Twitch and go to Stream Manager. And here we can see I've successfully started to stream on my Twitch using my OBS. And that's it.